each year passes, the global reliance on batteries continues to grow. In 2022, electric vehicles made up more than 10% of all vehicle sales worldwide, and this is expected to climb to 30% by the decade's end. To further propel this trend, governments worldwide are implementing policies to incentivize electric vehicle adoption. In some cases, they even ban the sales of gas-powered vehicles altogether. For example, the US recently passed climate legislation that provides incentives for the purchase of electric vehicles and invests billions of dollars into battery manufacturing. Similarly, the European Union and several US states have implemented bans on the sale of gas-powered vehicles starting in 2035. Despite these advances, transitioning to a decarbonized economy will require a significant number of batteries, not just any batteries, they will need to be better and more affordable. As the world increasingly relies on batteries, the need for more efficient and sustainable battery technologies grows more urgent. This will require significant investment in research and development to make batteries that are more durable, longer lasting, and easier to recycle. Furthermore, the production of batteries will need to become more environmentally sustainable to avoid creating new problems while solving others. As battery technology advances, it will become increasingly critical in transitioning to a low-carbon future. An international team of researchers led by Dr. Shenlong Zhao from the University of Sydney has developed a new battery that has the potential to significantly reduce the cost of transitioning to a decarbonized economy. The battery is a sodium-sulfur battery, also known as a NAS battery. NAS batteries are an energy storage system that uses a molten mixture of sodium and sulfur as the electrolyte. Compared to lithium-ion batteries, a NAS battery has 4 times the energy capacity and is much cheaper to produce. The team used sodium-sulfur, a molten salt that can be extracted from seawater to create the battery, making it a more cost-effective alternative to lithium-ion batteries. Although NAS batteries have existed for over half a century, they have been limited by low energy capacity and short life cycles. However, using a simple pyrolysis process and carbon-based electrodes to improve the reactivity of sulfur and the reversibility of reactions between sulfur and sodium, the researchers' battery exhibits super high capacity and ultra-long life at room temperature. Aside from its other benefits, the NAS battery is considered a more energy-dense and less toxic alternative to lithium-ion batteries. The battery, designed by Dr. Zhao, is specifically meant to be a high-performing solution for large renewable energy storage systems, such as electrical grids, while keeping operational costs low. As per the Clean Energy Council in 2021, 32.5% of Australia's electricity came from renewable energy sources, and the industry is expanding rapidly. Furthermore, household energy storage is growing, with a record of 33,000 battery installations in 2021. This significant increase is partly attributed to the decreasing costs of energy storage technology and the rising demand for home batteries as a backup power source during blackouts, as well as a way to reduce reliance on the electricity grid. Given the increasing demand for energy storage systems such as household batteries and electrical grid systems, the development of a battery technology such as NAS that is less expensive, more durable, and less toxic than traditional lithium-ion batteries is a significant step forward in advancing the growth of the renewable energy sector. By making energy storage more accessible and affordable, we can increase the adoption of renewable energy sources, reduce reliance on fossil fuels, and work towards a more sustainable energy future. One of the advantages of NAS batteries is their potential to dramatically reduce costs while providing 4 times as much storage capacity, making it a significant breakthrough for renewable energy development. This is especially important since renewable energy has had several financial barriers to entry, but reducing costs in the long term can make it more accessible on a local or regional level. Not only do NAS batteries reduce costs, but they also have other benefits that make them an attractive battery technology for the future. They can be used for various purposes such as peak shaving, load leveling, and emissions reductions. They are also adaptable to power supplies that can serve as a central component of a smart grid or provide power to ancillary services, grid frequency controls, and reactive power compensation. Furthermore, the NAS battery is more durable than other batteries. It does not require battery replacement until the end of its lifespan, which is typically around 15 years or 4,500 cycles. Another significant advantage of NAS batteries is their ability to function in various environments with ambient temperatures ranging from -20 to around 45 degrees Celsius. Because sodium and sulfur are abundant throughout nature, there's no need to worry about raw material depletion. This feature gives clients concerned about the environment peace of mind, knowing that the raw materials required for NAS batteries will always be abundant. These benefits make NAS batteries an attractive and practical choice for a wide range of energy storage applications, particularly as the world continues to shift towards a more sustainable energy future. Finally, easy operation and maintenance with no self-discharge and no uniform charge required. Preventative maintenance is minimal because consumable parts only need to be replaced periodically. It's also possible to schedule maintenance to avoid interruption at peak operation. For the most intuitive look, we also want to show unoptimized characteristics of sodium-sulfur batteries. The battery type's main disadvantage is that it requires a heat source for operational conditions. This makes the battery more or less immobile and impractical for residential use, especially compared to the lithium-ion rechargeable batteries currently employed on most mobile computing devices. Unfortunately, it drains part of the battery's efficiencies since the heat source needed for continuing operation is maintained using its stored energy. So when will it be used in the EV industry? The Ford sodium-sulfur battery is being evaluated for applications in EVs. A battery's required power and energy ratings to achieve acceptable performance and driving range for a specific commuter-type vehicle are being calculated and discussed. That is our video for today. We hope you like it. How do you see them performing compared to lithium batteries, and which one do you believe will prevail as the future battery? Share all your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Well, that's all for now. This is Big Tech Media. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.